Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool dishwasher and it's giving you an F06 error and you're thinking, oh, what is this error and what do I need to get rid of it? So, and your dishwasher, if you get this error, it's not going to be working because the F06 error is a water filling error, a water intake error. So basically when you go to, you probably turned it on to run a cycle and it kind of made some noises, and then after a certain amount of time the error came up. And that's because it gives itself a certain amount of time to bring the water in that it needs to do the wash. And after that time it doesn't get that water, it'll abandon the cycle and give you this error. So all you need to do to figure this out is to figure out why is this dishwasher not getting water. And 98% of the time it's going to be because of the intake hose that's hooking up to your water in your house. So you're going to just need to figure out what's going on. So is the water to your house on, first of all? Secondly, is where the intake hose hooks up to your water, is that valve all the way open, all the way to the left, all the way counterclockwise? And then you just want to check that line from the valve to the back of the dishwasher and make sure there's nothing, it's not bent or kinked or smashed or pinched anywhere. For example, if you're getting this right on, if you've just installed it and you're getting this error, it might be that you pushed it into the wall too hard and you pinched the hose as you were installing it, and so water can't get into the dishwasher. It's not going to be able to run. You're going to get this error. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.